Hello everyone, welcome to 8th standard second language English. Today let us learn summary of the lesson. Luther Burbank. What does the world call a man who turned yellow flowers into red, who made the seeds of plum disappear, desert cactus to grow 1,000 times faster, made blackberry into white, who grew 500 different kinds of cherries on one tree? Was he a master gardener or a miracle working magician? He has been awarded many titles, but he was so simple, hard-working scientist. The products of his genius continue to play a part in the day-to-day lives of people throughout the world. His most important contribution is a lovely flower that never existed before him. He was born on 7th March 1849. He was attracted towards the wonders of nature and learned the techniques of growing various crops. After reading Darwin's book, he decided to devote his life to grow new varieties of plants. He started market gardening at the age of 21. He was successful in selling the high quality vegetable. He planted 29 seeds from an early rose potato plant and produced superior quality up to today. This potato is called Idaho potato. It is grown on thousands of acres in northwestern US. He moved to the state of California at the age of 26 because his native place was not suitable for his work. He carried on his experimental and original work on plants for more than half a century on Santa Rosa near San Francisco. He described his new home as the chosen spot of all his earth as far as nature was concerned. The three basic techniques of his experiments are collect different kinds of domestic plants and bring in many foreign varieties of plants when they were grown under different conditions. They would prove strong, plentiful, or hard, show other desirable changes. Second, he grew many varieties of fruits, flowers, and vegetables by changing water, food, temperature, light, and space variations were achieved by crossing plants which had very dissimilar qualities. He could recognize and select the plants which showed desirable changes. He could also choose them for further experiments. Thus, he was successful to produce a white blackberry, and he called it the paradox. The pile of rejected seedlings measured 12 feet high, 14 feet wide, 22 feet long, and had contained 65,000 berry bushes. Among them, he decided to keep for further study was less than 2 dozen. He was able to grow 526 different types of apples on the same tree. It was possible for him not only to save space but also to speed up his experiments. His experimental plants took only 2 to 3 years to yield fruits instead of 15 years. He carried out more than 10,000 separate experiments with 600 different kinds of plants. He developed an Ompro cherry, a thornless blackberry, a cactus without thorns used as food for livestock, and a peach tree that can withstand freezing weather. He delighted flower lovers with 73 new flowers, Shasta Daisy, and a rose that bears his name. Many of his efforts ended in failure. The crossing of tomato with potato was failed, but his devotion was so deep and strong that nothing could disappoint him. Miracles were happening in all the fields, like in steel mills, automobiles, and markets of commerce and industry. Burbank's discoveries are also as remarkable as the shiny cars, bridges, tunnels, and singing wires. Thank you.